Well, it is Sunday night. Me and Andrew are going to go for a little ride in the Roxor. We ended up getting a pretty good rainstorm here last night. In this area right here, we got just over 3 inches of rain, almost 4 inches. And we've got some washouts in the woods where I made some trails a couple weeks ago. He wants to show them to me. And we're going to go for a little ride here, right, Bob? Let's do it to it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go ahead. Alright, right now we are on the east side of Boat 4, and a lot of the runoff from the barns and everything goes down in through here. Got some areas that we're gonna have to fix here. Grab another gear. I had to bulldoze a path through here because this was a little steep. Yeah, 2 weeks ago today. And of course, the water must have really been gushing down through here. Washout right there. There must be a lot of silt and stuff all pounded down in through there. This is an old gravel bed, and at one time they took a lot of gravel out of here for one of the area back roads here, if I remember right, if I heard that story right. Shooting range is right over there. Let's go fix some roadways there. that's enough for the dozer for right now. We got them washouts squared up enough to where the kids won't be getting in trouble getting down in and out of them. So it obviously needs a little more maintenance down in there, but someday when I got a little more time, I'll run down through there and square that all up a little better than that. But it is getting to be about that time where I think I'm going to call it a night here. Andrew said there's a calf out in one of the hutches, so I got to figure out if he got that in or not. Looks like he's wrestling with that. So we'll go over and give him a hand getting that calf in, and we'll take a run down through there with the Roxor. We'll show you what it looks like now compared to what it was like when we went down in there at the beginning of the evening here. Alright, so while I was bulldozing that, fixing that roadway, Andrew noticed that there was a calf out. We just got that in. However, the damn battery on the camera died halfway in between that job and whatever. So we're gonna run down through here. Ended up squaring things up a little bit. Looks a little better, I think. What do you think, bud? Think it's better? Got some fresh four-wheeler tracks in here already. Must be the neighbor tried out the roadway here. So we had a pretty good washout ditch on this right-hand side up here. Looking down in towards the bottom, we had a pretty good washout as well. Kind of worried about the kids getting caught in, maybe tipping over. So this obviously ain't 100% down in through here, but a lot better than it was. Didn't get washed out too bad over in here. And we're back on the roadway that we fixed here. Well, do you think that'll keep you out of trouble? Yeah? Alright, we are gonna get this thing parked over at the house here.
We can make it up.
That's gonna be about it for tonight anyways, right, Bob? Get in, get to bed, get ready for tomorrow, right? Well, that's gonna do it, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you at the next video.